You'd hate to listen to this, but brands don't do enough guerrilla marketing. And yes, guerrilla marketing is still a thing. Bumble, this dating app, used guerrilla marketing to stay on top of their target audience minds, and it was so freaking genius. In the first year of their business, put up posters inside university campuses. It said, no Facebook, no Instagram, no Snapchat, and no Bumble. These posters were literally all over the campus. Since people already know Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram, Bumble was something that intrigued their curiosity. Since Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat are very fun brands, Bumble was instantly associated as a fun brand. Since everybody already knew what Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat was, it intrigued a lot of curiosity. People were like, what the heck? What is Bumble? Why do we not know about Bumble? They started going onto the website, they started signing up, and they started downloading Bumble. They also sent girls wearing Bumble t-shirts inside the lecture hall to disrupt the entire session, which again also started to catch a lot of attention. It started to feel like Bumble is everywhere. I really think that was very genius. Well, do let me know if you want me to do more guerrilla marketing tips and tricks for businesses.